has finally got this video out, Owen. Well, you could never say that he's quick-minded, but he does keep trying, that's for sure. Hi guys, and welcome back. And yes, Greg and Ian, there is audio.
You think the worst can't do better than that, Owen? Well, they've got a very good base section in mind. But no top tenors, that's for sure. Stop your dreaming. Can't you see their spear pines gleaming? See their warrior pennons streaming to this battlefield.
So this is a fully self-contained unit. It's a MP3 sound module with 4 megabytes of memory. It's from Talking Products, MP3 for models and craft. The part code is SM2MP34MB, and it's www.talkingproducts.com. Super easy to use. Instructions on the inside, super easy to follow. Basically, piece of piss. And I really wanted to have the Men of Halleck song in the diorama, and it's come up quite nicely. So normal spinning around on the table, some still photos, and I'll come back and say goodbye. This is a literally very short final reveal video today.
Stop your dreaming. Can't you see their spear pines gleaming? See their warrior pennons streaming to this battlefield. Sing! Men of Halleck, stand ye steady. Come on, sing! Cannot be ever said ye. For the battle is ready.
And that's it, guys. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Really enjoyed this diorama series. I loved working with the Perry figures and putting it all together, even the sandbags, or the mealy bags, as I should say. I know a couple of inconsistencies with the flag bearer and the dead guy at the front with the mealy mouth, but I just felt I had to honour them, and the figures look too good not to use. So anyway, as always, thanks for your time, and I will catch you in the next one. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and ding the donger. And of course, leave a comment because I love reading them. Cheers!